right, so here is the beginning of our very random Sam's Club haul. Brendan wanted some more Body Armor sports drinks. We have, let me see if I can even read the flavors. Oh my gosh. Oh, here it is right in front of my face. Strawberry banana, fruit punch, blue raspberry, yum, and then tropical punch. Over here, Ava and Ariana picked out veggie straws. We've got 15 bags of the sea salt, 5 of the cheddar cheese, and then 10 of the zesty ranch. As always, we got the kids some Totinos. How do you say that? That's terrible. Pizza rolls. There's 2 bags in here for them to fight over. You're welcome. These are for me and Steve. These are the garden veggie puffs. A lot of veggie stuff going on in this house this week. We got 12 bags of sour cream and onion, 12 bags of the white cheddar, and 6 bags of the barbecue, which we have to hoard because everybody takes them. Then we needed some cans of whole kernel corn. We got 8 cans here. Over here for fruit, we've got more of the clementines or the mandarin oranges. What are these? California mandarins. Guys, these are fantastic. Fantastic. I think this is our 3rd bag, and they've all been great. Got a bag of the pears. We're stocking up on our fruit. Over here, we've got 2 bunches of bananas. We've got 1 yellow and 1 green to last for a little while. Then I wanted some pineapple. I'm going to try and blend this up and freeze it and use it in my Ninja Creamy to make like a pineapple gelato. So we got a sliced pineapple. They had tons of grapes today. So I've got some of the red seedless grapes. It says variety. Can you read that? Variety Sweet Celebration. So we got some of those. And then we've got some of the green seedless grapes as well. I think these packages were only, I want to say like less than $7 a piece. We got a big thing of the thick and chunky medium cheese salsa. I did not realize this was medium. It might be too spicy for my sensitive palate. We shall see. I guess if anything, I could put some Greek yogurt in it and mild it down some. We needed more turkey sticks, so I picked these up. Got a big thing of strawberries. These were not the sweetest smelling, but they're what they had, so we grabbed some. Hopefully they do okay. We got some more of these crispy dillies. These are the ranch flavored. And these are pickle flavored fried cucumbers. They are absolutely amazing. We added these to chicken salad. Well, down here it says you can put them on burgers, macaroni and cheese, potato salad. You can put them on sandwiches. We put them on our salads. They are so good. Really good. Then I'll come over here to the box. We got some more of the buffalo style chicken breast. This is my all-time favorite. And then for an alternative, I've got oven roasted turkey breast. We got Ava some pepperoni. And then we found these. This is the first time I've noticed these. I'm sure they've had them the whole time, but this is chicken sausage variety pack. We've got honey, habanero, Monterey, and jack cheese. We've got mozzarella and roasted garlic with artichoke. And then Gouda and pear with savory. Does that say spices? Looks like it says snices. I'm going to assume spices. So Gouda and pear with savory spices. And then I got another case of these Healthy Choice fudge bars. Guys, I am addicted to these as well. If you have not tried them, you definitely need to check them out. For cleaning supplies, we've got some more of these disinfecting wipes, 2 lemon, 1 fresh, and 1 orange. And then we needed some more laundry detergent, so we picked this up.